Welcome to my videos. So guys, when it comes to emergency room here in Canada, a lot of discussion is going on across various media outlets about what needs to be done to reduce the waiting time and how much more investment has to be made, and all other changes are being discussed because recently some numbers were published about the people who went to emergency rooms but returned after waiting so long when the treatment got delayed a lot. Okay, I myself have gone to emergency rooms and I too have waited hours before I got the treatment, but yes, I did not have any compromise on the quality of treatment, at least as of now, so that's fine. So in this video what I am gonna say that I want to add my opinion that what should be done in order to reduce this wait time. I'm not gonna go into the other points that other media channels or politicians, all of them have brought forward related to investment and other things. Fine. So what I would say that it is recently I saw a report that 40% of the patients, those who go to emergency, what is observed during triage that their case is not something urgent and can be seen by by a walk-in doctor or in a general clinic. They can be treated at a clinic facility rather than at an emergency facility at a hospital. Okay, but so the first question, why do they go there? So this is because of lack of after hour clinics. Like if let's say you get some pain at evening, okay, at 5 p.m, most of the walk-in clinics are closed, so people say that, oh, how would I bear it till morning? It may not be so severe and it may not be a tough condition, but they think that they will have to wait till tomorrow morning. So sometimes people go to emergency that so that they can see the they can get the test done right away and they can see a physician. So what my recommendation here is, why can't we have a general clinic inside a hospital facility? Okay, in India, like they have the concepts of OPD and all. So if someone does not have an emergency, they can still go to hospital and go to an OPD and can get their checkups done. So same thing, why can't we apply here in Canada that if someone goes to an emergency, they are going to be triaged, okay, and during the triage, if it is observed that the condition is not urgent, why can't we have a walk-in clinic, or you can say non urgent, or whatever name you want to pick, inside a hospital itself, and instead of uh, letting them into the waiting area of the emergency room, they redirect them towards the clinic room so that they get treated over there. Because if I'm not wrong, correct me wrong, emergency doctor fees are high, much higher than general clinics settings. So if we can establish a clinic inside a hospital and have doctors, of course, like if you want to run it 24/7, then you need to pay some incentives to doctors. So I'm in agreement to that, do it, but I believe still it's gonna be cheaper than letting someone who needs primary care to be seen by somebody who is an expert in emergency care. I mean, instead of emergency doctor, let them treated by a primary doctor and have a clinic like setting inside the hospital itself. So if during the triage it is observed that this guy does not need an emergency doctor, fine, let them treated by a primary doctor and go home, fine. So this will have an impact. If the figures are correct that 40% people, those who don't need emergency, go to emergency. So if these 40% people go to like a regular clinic inside the hospital, it will have a good impact on the wait time of emergency, and then those who have real emergency, they will come forward. So that's what I would say. Let me know guys if you agree to my opinion or not. Thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.